Okay, this is my German Johnson tomato plant. They're just starting to get little tomatoes, you can see there. Do you see my little Calotropis here? This is Primat. And I am disturbing her sleep. Oh, such a good girl. Beldar is a little too young to breed with her. So she is in the Garthog's tree. Let me see if I can find him. Hopefully without getting bitten. Oh, here we go. Here he is. There's the Garthog. There he is. So that's cool. He's got her in his tree. Let's see what he looks like. Oh, I can't see your pretty face. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm disturbing you. I'm sorry. There you go, beautiful. It's got a nice shed going on. Yeah, the sun's going down. It's a good looking boy. Maybe he'll let me peel this off. Pretty. Yeah, and his female is just right on the other side here. Let's see, I'll let you go back to sleep. Yeah, she's... Oh, look. Here's a little Jackson's female. I just set her out here to get bred by Slick Rick. Yes, she has a V. It's not for victory, it's for virgin. And she has started turning color. So I think Slick has done his job well. Sorry, ladies. Good night.